Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Google, YouTube. The world's darkest secret is that all of these companies are actually working together. Now, Trump talked about the fake news media. ABC, NBC, CNN. They're all censoring themselves. They're all on a conference call with some Democratic fundraisers trying to push a particular agenda. Really? Well, what if? What if they were? What if they were? Why would it just stop at CNN and ABC and NBC? Why not a couple other companies? Why not go all the way? Well, that sounds crazy. Why would all of the companies collude to work together towards a particular agenda? What if they were all working under the same entity somehow? What if they all had something that tied all of the biggest companies in the news and together? And what if I told you it's the government? What if I told you there is an agenda? What if I told you that 99.9% of people never have to work in their life? What if I told you that 99.9% of people could live off of the fruits and labor of 0.1%? What if I told you that all it takes is one person in 1,000 to create all the food, all the needs, all the wants of people necessary to live a debt-free life? Wouldn't that be crazy, right? Would it really be that crazy to think that 10,000 years ago, one person was able to feed himself, yet today we are living in a day and age where most people are still living paycheck to paycheck? Half of the population of the US alone is living paycheck to paycheck, yet we are the wealthiest nation in the world. We are a nation where one farmer can feed 1,000 people, yet everybody's working more than ever. This doesn't make sense. They wouldn't all work together. That would be evil. That would be collusion. That would be manipulative. That would be taking advantage of me. That's how I felt too. That's exactly how I felt, because the reality is that the system is not designed to get you free. The system is not designed to let you run around and enjoy your life as a human being. The system is designed to keep you broke. And the way they do that system is through information. Hold on, let me pick up my phone. Have you ever picked up your phone for no reason other than there was no reason? You just picked it up and turned it on to see if there are any new notifications. Now, information is perception. What we receive is what we perceive, and how we perceive the world controls everything about how we go about life. And yet, over 85% of the information we consume now is on these little screens, is on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. These phones are built to control us. If you pick up your phone without even knowing why you picked up your phone, you are the one being controlled. You are not controlling your phone, yet you're holding it. It is controlling you, because Facebook and Instagram and Twitter, they have 1 billion, they have 2 billion data points. And those data points are humans. And they know you better than you know yourself. because these companies have more information about more people and more behaviors and more statistics than you can even know about yourself. And they're computers, so they don't have any emotions tied to them. And what they are built to do, literally, the algorithms. I'm an influencer. I do these things for a living. I know how the algorithms are working, or I have an idea of what they're doing to work. And the way their algorithms are working is to keep you on their app as long as possible. Then it's to keep you coming back to their app as often as possible. It's to keep you coming back, and they'll do whatever they can. They will buzz, they will blink, they will bloop, they will put a blinky icon here. Now they have blinkies, light blinkers that go on both sides of the phone. So no matter if you have your phone down or up, it's gonna blink to say, come back to me. Because you're not fully controlled if you're speaking to your friend. You're not fully controlled if you are interacting with other real people. You're only able to be controlled if your face is in the screen. And what these things are designed to do is, when you're not looking at them, they're designed to get you to come back. They're going to send you an email. They're going to send you a message. They're going to give you a notification. They're going to give you a notification bell, a light, a blink, whatever they can do to get you back. Because when they have you back, they can control you. And when you're interacting with this, they have the information on you, and they know what you're doing. And that nuanced control, that illusion of freedom of choice, is able to keep you satisfied enough, because you can always turn off Instagram, you can always turn off Facebook, but you keep coming back, don't you? You keep coming back because they keep you there. All your friends are there. They're not going to let a decentralized social network exist. And they're not going to let a decentralized currency system exist. They're going to try their damnedest because they keep you in debt and they keep control of you. They keep you on social media and they keep control of you. And the darkest secret in the world is the fake news media is not just CNN, ABC. The fake news media is here. It's the apps on your phone. And every day you spend scrolling that news feed, the further into their system you get, and the further out of the human system you remain. So the only thing you can do is be aware of it. That's the first thing, is to be aware of it. And the second thing you can do is take back control of your time, of your life, of your humanity. If you're dedicated to not letting your screens control you, if you're dedicated to not letting your smartphones, your TVs, your computer screens, your social media to take control of your life, and you're dedicated to turning off notifications, I would encourage you, write down, take back control, okay? And taking back control, the first step I would say is being aware. The second step is turning off every notification that you can. The only way to get through to you could be maybe your phone rings for the few loved ones or something like that. But you can take back control, and there are steps, and these are steps. And if you're committed, write down in the comments, take back control. I've taken back control of my life. And while I am a social media influencer, I don't mindlessly consume social media. I don't consume social media. I use social media. I use these things to make money. I use them as a tool. I don't let them use me. And there's a very easy, slight difference, but I am trying to get a message out that I believe in. I'm trying to bring back human existence to its natural state. And if you're committed to taking steps to not letting the tech companies, the fake news media to own your life, write down Take Back Control. And if you want to see more videos, I am a marketing teacher by trade. The rest of the videos on my channel are marketing videos about how you can create your own business, work for yourself. Then subscribe to my channel. But if you're moved by this video and you believe the messages here are important, I encourage you, share this video with as many people as you can, because more people need to know the other side of the spectrum. And share it on all the social medias, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, etc. But this message needs to be heard by more people, because I see too many of the other messages sucking people down. Let's start a revolution here. Talk to you soon.